Hi Sam. It's great to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
Platz.
Platz.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
well.
Platz.
Means place or space in English. It's commonly used to refer to a physical location, like a seat or an area. You might also see it in phrases like public place. Just be careful, though it's not a false friend, but it's different from plat in English.
Got it. So, how do we use
Platz.
grammatically?
Platz.
Is a masculine noun, so it uses the article.
Der.
In the plural, it becomes.
Die Plätze.
For example, you would say,
Ich habe einen Platz.
for I have a place. In the past tense, you could say,
Ich hatte einen Platz.
and in perfect, it's.
Ich habe einen Platz gehabt.
If you want to give a command, you can say,
Nimm Platz.
which means take a seat.
That's helpful.
Now, let's talk about the history of the word.
Platz.
It comes from Old High German
Platz.
and is related to the Latin word,
Platea.
meaning broad way or street. Over time, it evolved to refer to any open area.
That's really fascinating. I didn't know it had such ancient roots.
Right? Now, let's break the word down.
Platz.
Doesn't have a prefix or a suffix, so it's a standalone word. You can think of it as a base where you can build different phrases, like,
Marktplatz.
which means marketplace.
Ah, I see. So it's like building blocks.
Exactly. And since
Platz.
is a standalone word, it's straightforward. But when we look at compounds like
Marktplatz.
you take,
Markt.
which means market and add,
Platz.
to it. The gender of the compound follows the last noun, so
Marktplatz.
is still masculine.
That makes sense. Are there similar words I should know?
Yes. Here are some examples. First, we have,
Spielplatz.
which means playground. Then there's,
Parkplatz.
which means parking space. Next, we have,
Stadtplatz.
for town square. With the prefix,
Platz.
you can also find,
Festplatz.
meaning festival area.
What about other prefixes and suffixes?
Good question. With the prefix, you get
Abplatzieren.
meaning to remove from a place. Another example is
Erholungsplatz.
which means recreation area. There's also
Sitzplatz.
meaning seat.
Wow, that's a lot of words. Can you give me some situations where I might use?
Platz.
Sure. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You could say,
Ich hätte gerne einen Platz am Fenster.
which means I would like a table by the window.
Let me try.
Ich hätte gerne einen Platz am Fenster.
Perfect. Another situation could be at a concert. You might say,
Wo ist mein Platz?
meaning where is my seat?
Wo ist mein Platz?
Exactly. Lastly, imagine you're talking about a city. You could say,
Der Stadtplatz ist sehr schön.
which means the town square is very beautiful.
Der Stadtplatz ist sehr schön.
Fantastic, Sam. Now, let's think about remembering the gender of.
Platz.
Since it's masculine, you can remember it because a place is often considered strong and sturdy.
That's a good hint.
Now, let's talk about how.
Platz.
Is used in everyday language. It's generally informal, but you can use it in both casual and formal settings. Common phrases include
Ich brauche mehr Platz.
meaning I need more space, and
Hast du Platz für mich?
meaning do you have room for me? Just be cautious with similar words like
Platte.
which means plate. They can sound alike.
I see, I'll be careful.
Now, let's look at some example sentences. You might say,
Es gibt viele Plätze im Park.
which means there are many places in the park. Another example is,
Ich habe meinen Platz reserviert.
meaning I reserved my seat.
Es gibt viele Plätze im Park.
And
Ich habe meinen Platz reserviert.
Great job! You could also say,
Wir treffen uns am Stadtplatz.
which means we meet at the town square. Or,
Ich habe keinen Platz mehr in meiner Tasche.
meaning I have no more space in my bag.
nice, I like those.
Now, let's do a quick recall check. Sam, what is the gender of?
Platz.
It's masculine.
Correct. What does
Nimm Platz.
mean?
Take a seat.
Good. How do you say I need more space in German?
Ich brauche mehr Platz.
Yes. What is the plural form of?
Platz.
Plätze.
Exactly. Last question, what's the origin of?
Platz.
It comes from Old High German and Latin.
You did wonderfully, Sam. Today we learned that
Platz.
means place or space. It's a masculine noun, and you can use it in various contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident using the word now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.